Asking if anybody knows what's happening with the car. Right now I try to switch it on. I put it to first position and nothing happens. Second position looks normal. See all the lights, everything looking good. And then as soon as I put to the third position, it doesn't crank. The car doesn't crank at all. And if you go, I'm gonna open up the hood right now. But up in the front, there's a huge turbo fan that sounds like it was an engine. Like, I don't know if you can guys hear it right now. So it's really, really big. I'm just gonna open it. So it really goes full blast right now. Like if there was something inside, I'm trying really to pull it off, but like nothing happens. It doesn't turn on, doesn't spark. It really sounds like a turbo engine. So I checked all the fuses, I checked everything, but doesn't seem that it's working as I show you right now. Just it stays stalled, nothing. Drive. I changed the gears, and I'm able to change from reverse. The dashboard shows where I'm changing. Everything's good. Everything's okay from that side. Change the fuses and nothing. So if you guys know, I appreciate it. Thank you.